The next presentation is a path down the Silky Way. From Changan's gates to Rome's Grand Square, the Silk Road weaves beyond compare. The Silk Road, also known as the Silk Route, was a historical network of trade routes that connected the Orient and the Occident, facilitating the exchange of goods, culture, ideas, and philosophy. As a poet says, languages mingled like rivers meet. On the Silk Road, cultures complete. Set in ancient times, our tale unfolds with young Ren Yung, a Chinese boy deciding to go in search of his grandfather who had left his home to journey across Central Asia along the Silk Route, hoping to make a fortune and return to his homeland. Ren's search takes him to various vibrant and bustling towns in Asia and finally to India. By sheer chance, he learns of a Chinese trader who had embraced Buddhism and never returned to his homeland. Hoping to be reunited with his grandfather, Ren journeys to Sarnath. He indeed meets the wise old man, the seeker of truth, one who would never leave his newfound home. The story unravels the charm and hypnotic attraction of the complex web of the ancient Silk routes. Many embarked on journeys and adventures riddled with hardships, hoping to make a fortune. Some did, while others faltered and were lost in strange and mesmerizing lands. Some others, like Hian Ruin, never returned by choice. And so the Silk Road remains in the collective human imagination, not just as a symbol of human connection and a yearning for the wider world, but also as a symbol of a transformative and wondrous journey of self-discovery. The presentation features much-loved folk songs in more than 5 languages that blend in seamlessly with our tale set in ancient times. All the songs and voiceovers are by our very own students. Ladies and gentlemen, our next presentation is A Path Down the Silky Way by the students of South Point High School.
Few centuries have passed since you and Sang walked these ancient roads. A journey of faith and trade that still echoes in whispered odes. Now, our tale unfolds in a time of legacy and love, where one young heart dares to tread where legends sow.
Why do you look so sad when our streets sparkle with joy? Today, the new year shines with laughter and dance, but your eyes hold a different story.
My dear child, every new year stirs memories of the past. Your grandfather, Yan Rui, left these lands on the Silk Route, promising riches and gifts. Yet fate kept him afar. Our hearts have waited ever since, across time and distance.
Please, Grandma, tell me more of the Silk Route, of the roads where our ancestors once traveled. For I wish to know why our family's story is woven with longing.
Long ago, during the Han Dynasty, our people began trading silk, spices and tea with distant lands. Your grandfather, along with brave traders, journeyed west, a path of wonders, where east met west, and cultures danced in a tapestry of vibrant exchange.
To join your group, Trader Chen. I want to search for my grandfather. I have promised Grandma May.
Hey young one, it seems your heart is set on adventure, much like those of old. The Silk Route is a ribbon of history, a pathway where treasures of culture and trade intertwine. 200 years have passed since Huan Sang's footsteps echoed here, and now you carry that flame.
I must find my grandfather, Yan Rui. Even if the journey takes me across scorching deserts and rugged mountains, I will follow this ancient route. Please, please take me with you.
Hold tight, for the desert sand will tickle your toes, and the winds will whisper secrets of long-lost times. Come, join me and our band of traders, and let the adventure begin.
After leaving Xi'an and traveling through the Gobi Desert and the treacherous Tian Shan ranges, they reached the fabled city of Samarkand.
In these ancient markets, the Silk Route blossoms. Here traders share tales and treasures, where the fragrance of spices and the gleam of silk tell stories of distant lands.
Each face is a page in the great story of our world, a mosaic of cultures, echoing the legacy of Yuan Sang and so many others.
These fruits aren't for free. Sorry sir, I wanted to taste some. गरीब आदमी हूँ भाई, but this fruits looks yummy.
Here you go, take some and run.
Beyond the Oxus River, the traders traversed the unforgiving terrain of Afghanistan, where the wind whispers secrets of the ancient Silk
मतलब इश्क का दस्तूर निराला देखा, मतलब इश्क का मतलब इश्क का दस्तूर निराला देखा, उसको छुट्टी ना मिली जिसने सबक याद किया। मशहूर इश्कबाजी में खासा दर्द गम, खासा दर्द गम, मजाजी में मैं हूँ मशहूर इश्कबाजी में, इश्कबाजी में मैं हूँ इश्कबाजी में। मकानी हूँ के आजाद मखा हूँ, मकानी हूँ के आजाद मखा हूँ, मैं जहाँ हूँ है खुद सारा जहाँ हूँ। मैं हूँ मशहूर इश्कबाजी में, खासा दर्द गम,
मैं देवा हूँ, देवा, देवा। क्या तुम किसी को ढूंढ रहे हो? ढूंढ रहे हो? क्या मैं कुछ मदद कर सकता हूँ? मैं मदद करूं? कहां से आए हो तुम? कहां से? कहां?
From Afghanistan, they crossed the fascinating Hindu Kush mountains.
पढ़ पढ़ इलम ते फाजिल हो ते कदे अपने आप रूप पढ़िया ना भज भज बरनए मंदर मसीती ते कदे मन अपने विच बरया ना लड़ना कदे नफ्स अपने नाल लड़िया ना बुल्ले शाह आसमानी उड़दिया फिरोंदे ते जेरा घर बैठा उन्हू फड़िया।
I come from Xi'an, China. I search for my grandfather, Yan Rui. My grandma told me he traveled the Silk Route and never returned.
सिल्क रूट, सपनों का वो प्राचीन राजमार्ग। मैंने सुना है कि चीन देश से एक रेशम व्यापारी और भी कुछ व्यापारियों के साथ आए थे, पर कुछ दिन बाद वो कहीं चला गया था। The traders didn't know where he went, but rumors kept him alive. चलो पूछते हैं। बुजुर्गों कहते हैं कि उसकी उपस्थिति आज भी इस देश की कई कोने में महसूस होती है।
Dear friend, you have come like an angel. I'm sure with your help, I'll get some news.
अरे चलो यार, चलो चलो।
After crossing the Karakoram range, they entered the beautiful Kashmir Valley.
Namar zaran hoye
From Kashmir, they reached the snow-capped landscape of Himachal.
I've heard of a man many years ago. When I was younger, he came from China with other traders. He heard about Lord Buddha and his teachings. He wanted to seek the ultimate truth and went towards the path of renunciation.
What to do? No one knows anything. अब क्या करे?
I have to search him. I have promised Grandma May. Please, please help me, friend.
After traversing the Gangetic plains, they reached the fabled ghats of Varanasi.
Hey dost, let's go to Sarnath. Sarnath. If we can't find him there, we'll search him at Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya. We might come across him. If he's still alive, of course.
From Varanasi they reached the holy site of Sarnath. The tranquil aura of the Buddhist holy site enveloped them.
Dear sir, are you Yan Rui? My grandfather, my grandma May, always speaks about you.
Who are you, child, to call me by this name? How did fate guide you along these ancient paths?
I am Zen Young, your grandson. I have journeyed far, following the whispers of the Silk Route, hoping to find you, grandfather. I long to hear your story and feel the warmth of our bond.
My dear child, many years ago I ventured seeking trade and fortune. But on this timeless route, I discovered a richer treasure, the teachings of Buddha, which filled my heart with peace. I embraced a new life as a monk, yet never forgot the love waiting back home.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है! Looks like her adventure has turned into a reunion of hearts. Now let's make sure the story travels on with a melody of its own.
Return now, dear child, with our hearts entwined. Tell your grandma me that though I became a seeker of truth on these roads, my spirit has always been with her.
I will, grandfather, I will tell her of our journey, of the Silk Route's timeless wonders, and how love and destiny found us on this ancient road.
And perhaps next time, Grandma May will join us for another grand adventure!
Our journey through time, both old and new, shows dreams and stories coming true.
From markets bright to trees so tall, we share our hearts, one and all.
Like you and Sang, in days gone by,
May we seek and reach the sky. And as we walk each winding way, may hope and friendship light our day.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was A Path Down the Silky Way presented by the students of South Point High School. May I now request Srimati Diti Priya Mukherjee, Vice Principal, South Point School, to kindly deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear students. As we draw the curtain on this vibrant, unforgettable evening, let me begin by expressing our heartfelt gratitude to all of you, our cherished audience. Your presence, patience, and applause have brought warmth and energy to the celebration of talent and teamwork. You have truly been part of every moment we created on this stage. We were deeply honored by the presence of Honorable Justice Jhaveri, who had graciously taken time out of his demanding schedule to be with us this evening. His encouragement and inspiring words meant a great deal to our young performers, and we are immensely grateful that he joined us to celebrate our students' achievements and gave away the awards. We would also like to extend our sincere appreciation to the principals, teachers, and students of all the prize-winning schools. Your enthusiastic involvement lends spirit, meaning, and sense of community to this event. We thank each of you for your presence and support. A special word of congratulations and thanks to our own South Point prize winners, whose brilliance continues to uphold and enrich the legacy of this institution. Your consistent excellence is a matter of immense pride for us. This evening's spellbinding cultural presentations would not have been possible without the imagination, artistry, and commitment of our creative teams. We thank Shri Niloy Sengupta and his team, Shri Kaushik Bose, Shri Gautam Upadhyay, and Srimati Rupa Upadhyay for their outstanding direction and choreography. Your work lights up the stage and the hearts of our children. We thank you, our colleagues from South Point School and South Point High School, who year after year pour their creativity, patience, and love into these performances. Your dedication is not only inspiring, it is instrumental in raising the standard of every program we present. To our support staff, thank you for being the silent hands that hold everything together. Your commitment behind the scenes ensures that everything unfolds smoothly in front of the curtain. A very special thank you go out to our students, our stars. Your discipline, energy, and passion were on full display tonight. Thank you for the color, the rhythm, and the joy you've shared with us. You've made us all incredibly proud. We are grateful to Shri Debashish Shaha, Shri Shubroto Mukherjee, Shajghar, Shajshojja, Studio Noborobi Kiran, Studio Dhwani, Soundwave for your valued technical support with music, sound, and production. Your expertise adds depth and professionalism to the experience. We also thank the Science City Auditorium authorities for their hospitality, cooperation, and for helping us host this event with such elegance and ease. Your support has been seamless and generous as always. To each person, whether on stage, backstage, or in the audience, who contributed to the success of this evening, we offer our deepest gratitude. It is your spirit of collaboration and goodwill that has made this evening so special. Now, as we prepare to close this beautiful program, may I request everyone to please rise for the national anthem. Thank you and good night.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।